Good morning, good morning. All right, we're in this long of ES conservative. I've said that every day this week. Also, overnight, NQ zones was 2 for 2. ES range night was 1 for 1. Gold was 1 for 1. And then NQ night was 0 for 1. So, nice little start to the day. I'm red because of NQ night, but that's okay. We're just going to kill it this morning. I'm green. And I keep talking about since Friday, but I guess I put more focus on that because that's when I took a withdraw, and then I've just looked at my total since then on my actual account, and it's 14,400 or something. So I'm up 4,400 since Friday. And if I have, I had a loss overnight with NQ. That's okay. That's all part of it. We can't get away from the losses. Losses are part of the game. And if anyone tells you otherwise, then they are lying. I want to turn on this scalper, even though it only is valid Tuesday and Thursday for me. I still want to turn it on just to get the data. So let me turn this on because it's a 9:30 setup. Scalper, apply OK. And I didn't turn it on last night. But I have a lot of other things on. Please hit that thumbs up as you come in. I have RTY range, ES early, ES later, NQ early, NQ later, RTY zones, YM zones, CL zones, ES zones, and NQ zones. Also, one of my members just found a ES night zone, which only trades at the very beginning of the night, and it's so good. So I'm really excited for that. All right. My name's Lauren. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then Jen goes live at 2 to 3 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday. It's 9:22. I'm going to get on TikTok here shortly, but I'll probably wait another 5 minutes or so. If you guys have any questions in the meantime, please put them in the chat. Maybe just say good morning. I like those. It's very nice. Very nice. ZB hasn't taken any trades today. Again, gold already did. So gold is 3 for 3 on the week for $750. Look at this gold move. $750 on gold today. I mean, not today, this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they've all had one trade, and each trade has been a win for $250. So $750 just on gold this week. Hey, Lewis. Good morning. Which is outstanding. Just outstanding. Yes, hit those little hearts, Carlos. Good morning, Carlos. How are you? Some people see it, some people don't. Also, if you have the chat open on your phone watching the live stream, hide the chat for a minute, and then you can see the thumbs up button and push that thumbs up, please. Or if you're online, there's just a thumbs up under the video. Or rotate your phone the regular way up and down, and then you'll see it. So ES bold line is in a long. It's red, like $62. But ES has gotten in a long every day. If we look at yesterday, it had 3 wins in a row. In a row. It was maybe $100 short of $3,000. This was $1,000, this was $1,000, and this was like $900 going into the close. Insane. 8 plus 9. 39, 59. Yeah. So it was like 3 points away from target. So it's 150. Yep. So instead of 1,000 on this last one, it was like 850. So $2,850 yesterday. This is premium. This is a premium algorithm. Again, the standard algorithms are amazing. There's nothing wrong with them. But the premium algorithms just kind of set you over the top. So on this bold line, ES, it's the conservative setup, and it's one of my favorites. It made $2,895 yesterday, and then on Monday it only took one trade, which was green as much as 600, and then it pulled back and it had a $600 loss. So I could adjust the break-even offset on that to maybe have it come into play at like 600 instead of 700. And if I did that, then Monday would be green too. But still on the week, it's green $2,300. That's not bad. And then it's in a long here today. So it doesn't trade that much, typically 1 or 2 times per day. Yesterday was a bit of an exception with that huge run up. Let me see. Let me know when you're... Well, actually, I don't need to know when she's done. I might go on a different one. But I'm going to wait to get on TikTok till it's closer to 9:30. Again, this was the gold trade. Gold range is 3 for 3 on the week for $750. If you want more information about my auto trading algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So this is the standard subscription, bold range. It's amazing. Even just bold range night and day. I had one of my members break it down because he has like a software where you can do multiple setups together. And I think it was like just one contract on each was $50,000 on the year so far with a $2,000 drawdown. And that includes fees and commissions. So what's $50,000 divided by 8 months? $6,000 a month. And I charge what? $1,000 a month. And on top of that $6,000, you could have, so this is just one account. You could have 5, 10, 20 accounts if you use Apex. Apex is a fully funded prop firm that allows you to trade with their money, and you can have up to 20 accounts. That's the reason why Apex is the best. We've looked at a lot of other funded programs and prop firms, and the most accounts they'll allow you to have is 3. It's amazing to be able to have 10, 15, 20 accounts at Apex. So you would have made on average $6,000 per month since January just running one contract on the ranges. And again, that's the standard algorithm. And then you multiply that times 20 accounts. Ooh, a little delay there. $125,000 per month. That's per month. That's not on the year. Per month. If you had 20 Apex accounts running the same setup, and the drawdown, again, on the entire year is $2,000. I can show you his breakdown. I closed our conversation from before. Let me pull it up. And then I'm going to get on TikTok. And this is the equity graph. Like, this is insane. Do you see this? Who doesn't want this? January, February, March, April. And April was tough, but with these setups, it's not. May, June, I had a little bumpy here in like the first week of July. This might have also been like July 4th. August, amazing. And this is the breakdown. So again, $45,000, $6,000 per month. The drawdown was $2,389. 92% on the entire year. And this, again, includes fees and commissions. You can see commissions here, $3,500. This is with one mini across all of the, not all of them, but most of the range strategies. So ES night, NQ night, NQ early, NQ later, and then ES later. He did not put ES early in here, even though I love ES early. So can you look at this? Like, the equity curve is amazing. 92%. Fees and commissions are included. So $45,000 divided by 8 months is $5,800 a month. And then multiply that times however many accounts you have. Like, that's insane. Hey, Kevin. Welcome, welcome. I'm assuming you read my messages from yesterday. Did you get a chance to watch all the videos and get a lay of the land? Like, look, this equity curve is just, this is what the big money wants. So this is why we keep our things close to our chest. And we'll probably go back to talking about capping the group again, because this is just too good. It's too good to let everyone have. It's not a thing for everyone. It's a thing for special people that are actually understanding what's happening and in the group, and they know how to like apply this stuff. But again, if you look at this, the drawdown for the entire year, $2,400. $2,400. Insane. All right. I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to get on TikTok. And that's just running the standard algos. That's just running, again, ES Night, NQ Night. I know NQ Night had a loss last night, and that happens. ES Night was a winner. So ES Night, NQ early, NQ later, and then ES later. I want him to add in ES early because I love ES early so much, and it's 92% on the entire year. So that will, and that's like an extra 1,000 per month. So that will take you from 6,000 per month to 7,000 per month. Like, that money is just insane. It's insane. Nice. Gold on the conservative, or on chop, not conservative, is green, $80. Very nice, Mike. All right, I'm going to get on the TikTok here. Change the, sometimes this little arrow is next to the change name. I want to do one of these other ones just to build the following. All right. Live. Ooh, green 225 on this ES. All right. We are live on TikTok. I'm going, if someone can find me on there, I'm on the BoldBot _backup. If you can find me on the backup one. If someone can share that link, that would be awesome. Let me move this up. Tilt it a little bit. Sometimes I feel like it's so hard to see. Is it clearer with the sunlight or not? Ooh, I could put on my neon light. Where is my neon light? I liked that the other day. Hi, Jen. Awesome. Awesome. Please share the link in the group. And then Laura also shares it in the student corner, which is helpful. So this is the same trade that's happened all 3 days this week. ES conservative on bold line has been long every day before the open. It's now 9:32. The market's moving up. $275 on this ES long one contract. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Jonathan. Welcome to BoldBot. I'm going to show those stats again from Terrence in a second. He honestly just puts all of the... done a lot. Perfect. Thank you. The other ones are fine because they don't know about it. All right, 375 on this ES long. This is ES conservative, which is part of the premium subscription of BoldBot, and it is been long every single day this week, and it's been making so much money. Monday it took one long. Again, it went green, $600, and then pulled back and had a stop for $600. So you could have taken some profit on that if you wanted to, if you were manually watching. Number two, yesterday it made $3,000, or just shy of, maybe it's like $100 shy. It had 3 long trades, 1, 2, 3, $1,000, $1,000, and then this was like $850. And then today, we're now in another long, right as the market is opening, just like the last 2 days, and it's green. So far, a high of 375. Hi, Blaze. Good morning.
Order submitted.
Please make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like. Scalper is in a short. So this is the one that I have only for Tuesday and Thursday. But it's in a short here. Oh, I need to put it on the correct account. Scalper. There. Because I'm just testing this. Again, this is in testing. And even when I do go live, it will only be a Tuesday, Thursday play. It will not be a Wednesday play. And today is Wednesday, August 30th. Tomorrow is the last day of the month, so we're going to have to take that into consideration with some of our plays in the group. Let's talk about last night. We did have a loss on NQ night. No big deal. I had a win on ES night, 2 wins on NQ bold zones, which is runs overnight, and then 1 win on gold. I'm going to show you guys gold here in a second. This is gold range. Gold range is 3 for 3 this week. It makes $250 and it risks $300. So I'm green $750 this week on bold range gold. Again, this is gold on the bold range algo, and it's 3 for 3 this week. It only takes 1 trade per day, and it made me my $250 already, and it's done, and I'm happy with that. Let's see. ES bold line is still in this
Order
long
submitted.
conservative. If you want more information, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live.
Target filled.
Target filled. That was fast. I go live every...
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. What was that? Oh, it was ES just made me $300, and then NQ early just made me $100. Let's go. We need some eggs in the chat. We need some green apples in the chat. You know, I can't even catch my breath here. Let's go. If you want more information, we go live every single day, 2 times a day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 to 3 p.m. We need some eggs in the chat. Where are the eggs at? Where are the eggs at? We need some green apples in the chat. Okay. All right, well, I'll have to give that to her. No. Oh, yeah, he's in premium? Yeah, Amy. Amy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So now the loss that I had overnight is no longer, now it's only like, you know, $300 on the day instead of what it was, because, hold on, sorry, I'm like looking in the random everythings. Damn, that was quick on NQ, TP1, ES hit, let's go. Oh, you're still in ES, Jen? Thankfully, I got all of my 5 contracts. No, we're going to cheer it back up. We're going to cheer it back up. We are moving back up. Let's go. Eggs, green apples. Let's go. Yes, it's a, yes. Iron Bean is a broker. He needs to call Ninja, see if they still accept them. All these Canadians. All the Canadians. Sure thing, JJ. Chopped what up? Oh, what? Chopped what up? What reports do we have today, Jen? Let's talk about that. Let me go all the way over here. What? It should be one and done, essentially. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Morning. Just Jen is in here. Hi, Just Jen. Oh, I'm getting warm in here. Hi, Roland. So, ES early, 1 for 1. ES night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. NQ night was 0 for 1. It had a loss. GC is 1 for 1. NQ night zones is 2 for 2. ES is pushing up here on the conservative, which was as high as like $400. So we'll see. Good morning, good morning. What is that? What is that? What is that? OMG, people cannot handle when they have a loss. Y'all need to chill. Y'all need to chill. People don't understand how sizing will affect them so bad, especially with an a PA or an eval account on Apex. You have to know how much money you have in your account and what your drawdown is before you just go ham and run things with 5 minis. Like, what the hell is going on? There was literally like probably a 4 mini sizing. don't know. That should be nowhere near the loss. The loss isn't even close yet. What? I'm so confused with what's happening over there. 41? Oh, was it like 40 points? Maybe it was. I don't know. All right, well, I can't worry about that. ES conservative is still in this long. The only loss that I've had today. Because that's crazy. Exactly. Maybe the pullback. Maybe just the pullback. Sorry, there's a lot of side conversations going on today that you need to... Hi. ES hit overnight van. ES looking for another trade. ES just didn't close out. All of it, I think, is what people are saying. No, somebody said that their NQ early had a loss, and that is just not possible. Everybody hit on NQ early, right? I don't know. Regardless, I can't worry about, like, the one-offs right now. I just have to kind of focus on the stream, because if I don't, then I'll get super distracted. RTY has not traded yet. No ZB so far. No RTY. Early. Yes, early. Early. Let's go. Must have. That's crazy. Because it was so fast. That's where it sucks. Like, I can't control, you know, like, that's the one thing well, there's a lot of things I can't control in life, but one of the biggest things is your fills from your broker, especially if you're using Apex. Like, Apex is a great tool, but it seems like they don't have the best fills, you know, and it sucks I can't do anything about that, but I definitely can't do anything about that. Like, you guys need to email them and be like, your fills are shit. You need to give me a better discount or something. Also, I've heard sometimes the trade copier is good, and then I hear other times the trade copier is not that great. So I'm not really sure what the truth is. Yeah, slippage can't be controlled. ES conservative is on this long still. I'm trying to filter these a little better, but maybe it won't happen. That's fine. Well, the scalper that's an only Tuesday, Thursday play had a loss today. Yes. She already posted, Charlie, she already posted this in the premium channel. Yeah, they can only use Apex or Interactive Brokers. I already told him this. I already told him all of this. You shouldn't have to go over it. Interactive Brokers. We already talked about this, Kevin. Or Apex. That is it. And Interactive Brokers has a super, super high margin. Like, you're going to pay $15,000 for one. Jerry, Jerry, you disappeared because you were doing premium and then you literally disappeared and left the group. And I was like, what the hell happened to Jerry? You were supposed to pay for premium on like August 17th or 15th or something. Order submitted. And then you disappeared. No, I haven't thought about coding my own trade copier because I don't care that much. RTY is in a short. RTY Zones is in a short. We can actually watch that over here. So, Jerry, what the hell is going on? What happened to you? What happened there? Oh. You're missing out on $112,000 on the year for premium and standard together. I don't know. So I don't use a trade copier, and I don't really care about a trade copier. I know other people like it, but I don't really care about it. Jerry's ghosting people. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There's 30 of you on the YouTube live, and this is why I stopped doing YouTube, because y'all never give a thumbs up, but people on TikTok give so many likes. If you don't know what slippage is, you need to go research it. That is a huge part of trading. If you have no idea what slippage is, you have no idea what the what the setup would be for you and like kind of how trades happen, you need to go research it. That is a huge, huge part of trading. So yeah, Killer B says NQ. Apex uses Semfills. People are either using trade copy or weaker plan, VPS, or using Rhythmic. No, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how true that is. Because even if you're on a PA account or a live account, they would. I don't know. Thanks, Blaze, for hitting the thumbs up. There's 30 of you and 19 likes. Long story, but I'll be back. Okay, Jerry. Just don't ghost me next time. Just let me know. Like, listen, I understand things come up and things happen and people have lives and certain circumstances will come up, but don't ghost me. Just send me a message and let me know what's up. Because that's the adult thing to do. I used to be so bad with stuff like that. Like, I would, like, leave a job without saying anything, and I would think that was the appropriate... I think I just was so against confrontation that I was, like, afraid I was disappointing someone, so then I wouldn't want to, like, say, oh, I can't stay here any longer, but I would just, like, bounce, and I'm like, that was definitely not the right thing to do. I learned that along the way. ES is pushing back up. Green, almost $300 here on the ES conservative. Again, ES is a setup that will trade typically once per day, twice per day. Sometimes, that's pretty much it, Kevin. Or is that a different Kevin? And this is why the Kevins need to put pictures. Because it could be a different Kevin. No, it's a Kevin with a purple logo. Like, y'all, you need to add a picture. We have no idea who is who. There's too many Kevins with no pictures. Speaking of ghosts. Joseph!
Order submitted.
Y'all are crazy today. I don't know where you guys are coming from. Where are you coming from? Today's like Wednesday, like resurrection. What? R2, I had a loss on the zone. Now it's in a long. ES, a bold line is still into this long. Again, this bold line ES made $3,000 yesterday. 3 for 3. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There's 32 of you and only 20 likes. That means 12 of you are just sitting there with your hands in your pants. And there could be something more constructive you're doing. AKA hitting the thumbs up button. Zoop, 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 zoop. I hope you're good, Joseph. Green, $450 here on the move up. Can you explain the difference of premium and the algo? So no, Robinson, it's premium or
Target
standard.
filled.
Target filled on RTY zones. ES is pushing up here. Y'all should all be hit on this ES now. I don't know who was still waiting. Jen. Y'all must have hit by now. Literally at like $500. Yes, pushing hard. So there's standard algos, which is what you get when you sign up for the $500 trial. And then there is...
Target filled.
All right, RTY just hit target on...
Target filled.
Range RTY just hit. Let's go. I love this RTY. I made $125. Again, chipping away at my overnight loss. I'm now only red $300 on the day. And I'm still waiting for so many other things to run. So that's fine with me. So there's the standard subscription, which gets you a bold range. Bold range has a whole bunch of strategies. And then scalper. Scalper is cool, but you have to know how to use it. And then if you do the premium, you get bold line, which is what you see here. Premium on the week is green. Oh, because NQ Chop just had a loss. $6,423. and that's like with one mini, the smallest sizing. So yeah, so with premium, you'll get bold lines. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted here. You get zones, you get chop, which I don't have up here. You get the new exclusive scalper that hasn't been released to the standard group yet, because again, I'm also still testing it. And then, oh, you get, yeah, so chop I don't have. Also bold line with stocks you can run. I was running that for a while, but I feel like it just takes up too much of my thinking span on the day. And there's probably only a few people in the premium group or in the group in general that run stocks. So, nice. Let's go. RTY range. So we got some orange juice, Jen. We need some orange juice in the chat.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it did. Look at this push up here. We're at $500 on the ES Bold line. Oh,
target filled. Target filled.
RTY range just took a second trade. 2 for 2. 2 for 2 now. Let's go. K Lavender knows what's up. K Lavender knows what's up. Let's go. Yes, Jen. 1 egg, 1 green apple, and 2 orange juices. 2 servings of orange juice. Let's go. I'm going to copy and paste that. Let's go. All right. What else was I saying? So yeah, so there's, and the premium is 500 more per month. So it's not a lot more per month, but it is 500 more per month. This is the RTY, 2 for 2. I'm up $250 on RTY. I'm now only red on the day, $200, just a measly $200 because of the NQ Night. NQ Night had a loss. That was the only loss that I've had today. Whoa, look at this move here. This is the ES Bold Line Conservative. It only typically takes about 1 or 2 trades per day because it is a conservative setup. It's on a higher time frame, but it took 3 trades yesterday and it was green $3,000. It took 1 trade on Monday, which was as green as 600, which is pretty much where we are now. And then it did pull back and have a $600 loss. But I could update the settings here to make the stop loss move itself up after $600 instead of $700. I think I currently have it at $700. So we'll see. If you want more information, if you're new here, we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen goes live only on TikTok in the afternoon, 2 to 3 p.m. So make sure you follow along and set your alarm for 2 o'clock or hit that little bell and it will notify you every time we go live on TikTok. I believe it. I need to drink some of my tea. And I upped my ES back to the normal sizing after that. I was like, oh yeah, I need to put that back up because I've missed out. I missed out on like, I don't know, probably an extra like $2,000 since last week because I had my ES mistakenly on sim and it should have been on live because I was taking a picture for the setting spreadsheet. I can't believe I did that. That was no joke, like $2,000. It was like $900 in one day. And then I reduced my sizing the past few days. So that was another probably like $300 or $600 that I left on the table. Yes, Jen. Yes, we are. Good morning. Good morning. Please hit that thumbs up. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. And then 2 to 3 p.m. showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. It's fully automated. It does everything for you other than turn itself on. You turn it on every night and then it trades for you. It trades the futures market, commodities, indices, bonds. So we're trading gold, we're trading oil, we're trading the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, the 30-year treasury bond. We're trading a lot. And, you know, I really am going to start looking back at natural gas because I think we could definitely roll that into some of the setups we've been using recently. And especially, I think it would be more of like a premium play because the thing between standard and premium, you're going to be making a lot more money, but there's also a good amount of risk. Like, the trades aren't going to be like these little baby like risk trades. You know what I'm saying? Like they're going to be like real trades. Guaranteed green on this ES line conservative here. Y'all, and this is a premium play. Like if y'all are in this premium play, like who is not running ES conservative when it's been killing
Order submitted.
guaranteed green on this long at 800 right now. Like, y'all. Y'all. So if you're running premium, the only loss so far on the day is RTY, but then it had a win behind it, so it's only red $20 on the day. We're moving up. Let's go. We need to get to 475 on NQ. We're at 460, essentially. NQ early is in a second trade here. I'm going to let it do its thing. Push up. Let's go. Also, I don't think that scalper took any other trades. It only took the one, and it was a $200 loss. Let's go. Let's get back up to... Oh, and I wonder where is my... I want to get to like 75 on NQ. Let's go. ES is pushing. ES is going to pull up the whole market with it. We need to get to 29 for ES to hit this $1,000 target. Nice job, Kyle, and that's it. Now, Kyle, be done. Be done. Let's go. Moving back up. We need ES to push up here, get through this 25, this 45.25, and then the next stop is going to be 29. Let's go. Let's get through this 25. Let's go, ES. You can do it. Got to get my cheerleading out. Come on, ES. I believe in you. Push. Here we go. We're at 25. We were just at 75. Let's go. Push. Push. A little higher. Go. Get above this 25. This 25 is where it's having... Let's go. Above 25. It's just hanging out at like 24. Sometimes it does this. Oh, there's a report at 10 o'clock. That's probably why. I also forgot. Let's go. There we go. 25. Come on. We're one tick away. You're one tick away from 25. Let's go. Push. There you go.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ early. NQ early had another win. Let's go. This is why I don't watch it. It just does what it does. NQ early. We need some more eggs. 2 for 2. 2 eggs. 2 servings of orange juice and 1 green apple so far today, Jen. Let's go. We need some eggs in the chat. Where are you, YouTube? Let's go. Is this ES a premium? Yes, Greg. This ES is a premium. This is bold line. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Sorry, let me pull it down. It's at $900 on the day. It made $3,000 yesterday. It is amazing. Let's go. If you want more information on premium, just message Amy. Yes, eggs, apple, orange. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's delete this thing. So, ES night, let's go through it. ES night was 1 for 1. NQ night was a loss, 0 for 1. NQ early, 2 for 2. RTY range, 2 for 2. ES early, 1 for 1. It was not close, Michael. Get the hell out of here. It was nowhere near close. It was red like $400. What is eggs, apple? Brooke, you have to be part of the group. Yes, you have to be part of the group to understand the code. No surprise here. We went exactly to that level that I just mentioned at 75, and now we're pulling back down. I would have easily taken that short there. But hey, you can't get all the trades. We are green, guaranteed green on this ES trade. If you wanted to, you could move this target down. You could move this stop loss up. You could close out the trade and take your $800 on the day. Again, this is one contract. You can see it on the screen. One long, this little box that says 1. That's one contract of ES. I don't trade calls or puts. I trade futures in the futures market. This is Ninja Trader, and I don't actually do any of the heavy lifting. This is fully automated with my automated algorithm, BoldBot. If you want more information, you can email me. Silver Santa is in a $300 short. Nice, Mike. When the first NQ ES trades, the motors had a second until I started and had lost. That's annoying, Brenton. Very nice. Dana, love it. So now with that, what is it like? $100? No, guys, there's no stocks. These are not stocks. None of these are stocks. They are futures. You don't receive a list of anything because it's fully automated. I am trading a fully automated system. These are my setups and they are trading for me. All you have to do every night is push enable. You push this little box that turns it on and it trades for you. I don't have to be sitting here. I don't have to be at my computer. I could be sleeping. I could be at the gym. I could be doing whatever else. Jen is like at the beach or driving. I could be doing any of that and this still trades for me. It's fully automated. So, Dr. Tina, if you want more information, it's best to just email me. There's a discounted link for a trial. It's 21 days for $500. Look at Mike. Thank you, Lauren and the BoldBot family, for changing our lives forever. All 20 PAs at withdrawal threshold, done until this withdrawal is in the bank, transitioning to all cash and probably blowing out these PAs. Sorry, Lauren, nobody do this. Oh, that's so funny. So he made almost $500 on all of his accounts today, and he's going to cash out all of this. Nice job. These are all funded Apex accounts, which means that's real money, and he can withdraw all of it if he wants. What's the minimum amount I can trade daily? If you want to use the algorithm with a cash account, the minimum of your cash account is $2,000 to $3,000. But you can use an Apex, you can use Lilu, Prop Firm, any prop firm that connects with NinjaTrader under the Rhythmic connection or any other connection that NinjaTrader has that it says it connects with. $950 on this one contract of ES. Again, this is 200% gains because ES only cost me $500 to take this trade. And when I make $1,000 in 2 more ticks, I am then going to be up $1,000 on the day from my $500 investment, which is a 200% return. It does not work with TradeStation. It does not work with TradingView. It only works with NinjaTrader. Everything is on NinjaTrader. Look at Lewis. People are posting the results. Lewis made $2,500, $2,600. Nice job, Lewis. This is Gotsy. He made $150 across all of his accounts. Multiply that up. Like, amazing, amazing. We need some blooping, Jen. We need blooping. We need hands. Brian, evals, gold. Brian's running gold too. $2,000. Nice job. Gold, ES, and NQ early on ranges. Very nice. I'm glad you got on the gold train. I feel like people are missing out on gold, and I've made $750 this week. Like, how easy is that? I feel like I sound like that, and, oh, no! Get out of here. I just got kicked off of TikTok. I'm going to go on a different one. Give me a second. Give me a second. That was the backup. I'm going to go on BoldBot, girl. All right, I'm going to need someone to share this new TikTok live stream. Let's go. We're about to hit $1,000. Where's Jen? I got booted for frauds and scams. Can you find my new one and share it, please? All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're live again. I'm waiting for this live to pick up. Here we go. Here we go. Hi, good morning. We're about to hit target here on ES. Do you see how close that came to $1,000? You could easily be putting that in there. Set up on my PC to allow remote access, but now I need help finding the remote access app or pop-up. Oh my god. Yes, remote does all that. Or he needs to email Marco at VPS. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm back, I'm back. Yes, let's tap, 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 Divergence. We need to share this in the group. Oh, ice cream. Yes, they always, Brooke, they do it all the time. This is why we have multiple accounts. Make sure you follow all of them. Push that little bell icon. Still in this ES long. Oh, what's Gigi? Is that Gang Gang? Is that the Gang Gang one? Gang Gang. Gang Gang. Gang Gang. Kyle, it happens all the time. Let's be honest. I don't know, I'm doing the retest yet. Well, it could have, but then you had, even if you did, then you had a loss. Even if you had the first long, you have a loss of 400. The second trade easily would have hit both TP1 and TP2 for 600. Then your green, 200 on the day. Hi, good morning. Good morning. If you're new here, make sure you tap that screen. Jonk, what's up? We were on the other one, and Was that Cody again? Who's Cody? Oh, probably. Is that what Jen says? Some guy named Cody? You can't hear the live. Go out and go back in, Laura. Go out and go back in. It might just be like one of those weird connection issues. Everyone can hear me, right? Yeah, I got booted. Now we're on. Just want to say, thank you, team. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. The only trade I'm currently in is this ES long. Why are we posting on Friday, Van? Why are we posting on a Friday thread? Van, please learn which thread we are in for the day. Today is not Friday from 2 weeks ago. Santa on silver is green, $725. Let's go. Copy link. Did Cody come back in? Who's this Cody guy? This is so funny. All right, let's get this out. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. I would love to answer them. There's 36 of you on YouTube, only 26 likes. I have nightmares over the keyboard. Sorry. It's something that some people love. And I was thinking about maybe getting a quiet one, but then I just don't feel like it. I bought this on purpose. Look at Jamie Lowe. $500 across all of his accounts. Unless it's the girl in the picture. I'm not sure. But whoever you are, great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Order
10, 11,
submitted.
12, 13, 14, 15. What's 16 times 500? Bloop, 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 bloop. We need some eggs. We need some student emojis. We need the robot emoji. YM Zones is in a short. Let's take a look at that. Oop, where are we at? Where are we at, YM? There we are. Oh, I got to change it to YM. I forgot about that. Change it from R2Y to YM. It's in a short, green, $30. I'm going to scooch you guys over this way so you can see it. And I'll also put the ES back up there. Give me a second. And obviously the little welcome message.
Target filled.
All right, well, target filled on YM Zones, $100 there. Very, very nice. Back to this ES. That's the only trade we're currently in, the ES long. YM Zones, $100. Any other zones? Oh, yeah, RTY, what was red 20, because it had a loss and then it had a win. Let me put that in there. ES zones, any of those? No ES, no oil. NQ night was 100, but I already had that in there. Hi, good morning. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. It's 10:08 a.m. on August 30th right now. We're in this trade of the S&P 500 on the futures market, which got me in fully automated from my auto trading algorithm. I was in a student call when this got in, and it's just been running up, and it's almost at its $1,000 target. You can see here the P&L is $900 off of one contract. One contract cost me $500. This setup made $3,000 yesterday. This one single itty bitty chart and setup I can show you here made $3,000 yesterday on 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. And today we're looking to hit another one, green $900. See if we can hit that. And yeah. The zones I still have on Sim. I'm not running those live yet, but I do want to incorporate them because they make a lot of money. And they're just quickly in and out. So it's something that I need to kind of sit down and write out. I don't know. I was thinking about opening up a second cash account. I had that a little while ago, and then I closed it because I wasn't using it that much. 3 minis. Let's go, Laura. The mentorship and student call played out perfect. $1,500 on 3 minis. Nice job, Laura. Lewis, well, thanks to you and Profit done for the day. Lewis, I love to hear it. You are green gang. Maybe the GG is green gang. How about we start saying that? Lewis, done for the day, $2,600 for Lewis, $2,000 for Brian. Gotsy, 150 times, I don't know, what is that, 15 accounts? Mike, he's withdrawing a whole bunch of money, or he already put in the withdrawal request. We need to bloop bloop, put a little robot and then a student, because Dana's a student and a robot member. Mike has a little tassel in his picture. Eggs, where are the oranges? Eggs. We didn't get bacon yet. Bacon's later. I love it, though, how we adjusted NQ later, and we're typically done by 11 o'clock now, instead of like, maybe you could get trades at 2 or 3 p.m., but honestly, who needs that? I love being done at 11 a.m. Like, I love it. I love it. And again, I was red this morning. When I woke up, NQ night had a loss, and I have 2 contracts on NQ night. Some people might only have 1. I was red $1,200, but I trust the algo and I trust my service, and I know that the other setups were going to come through. They did. I am now only red $200 on the day, and that is nothing. Like, actually, I'm only red $155 on the day. That is nothing, as I made $4,400 since Friday. Actually, more. I've made like $4,700 since Friday. Because I took a withdrawal on Friday and I put myself back to a $10,000 balance. Right now my balance is $14,529. So that's $4,500 with my $150 loss on today. So before that loss, I was green $4,700 in 3 sessions. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. That's it. Like, that's insane. Bye, Robert Davis. Have a nice life. US 30 went crazy. Yeah, that is the Dow, right? I always forget which one that is. Killer Bee said she's not lying. I'm not lying. It's really easy to tell that I'm not if you even join the live stream for 2 or 3 days. I made $1,100 on Monday by 9:37 a.m. and then I made $990 yesterday by like 9:39 a.m. and then on the day I made $1,600 on Monday, and yesterday I made $1,500. Friday I made maybe $1,100. Anyway, making a lot of money. So I don't really care if one random man in the chat thinks that, I'm making it up or it's not true, because we have 300 members that know this is true and they do it every day. Lewis said, we are still going. Yes, I know. I sent my results in already. Lewis, you're awesome. Lewis already made $2,600 on the day. Here we go, ES. Here we go.
Order canceled.
There we go. TP hit on ES bold line. $1,000. This one strategy in the premium group made $3,000 yesterday and $1,000 today. That's $4,000 in 2 days. I wouldn't embarrass myself with a message like that if it wasn't real. Yeah, exactly. America says, Lauren, I can't thank you enough. Seriously, Mike and I have been poor, sub 20K a year our whole lives, and so have our parents and their parents. Lauren, you are a blessing. Aw, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Listen, I love doing for myself. Like, don't get me wrong, but if I can do for myself and others can benefit from it, and then I can have a successful business, you better believe I'm going to do that. So absolutely. The more the merrier. Let's go. Like, we are at 285 members. I want to get back to 300, which I'm sure will happen very soon. And then the next stop is 350. Good. Yes. I was wondering if you were running it on Gold. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and then 2 to 3 p.m. It's 10:14 right now on August 30th. I'll answer whatever questions you have. Who needs the algo to hit when you're making 150 times 200? Well, I still run it. I think your numbers are wrong, though. I don't know what 150 is. User, I think you don't know how to do math. It's not 150. What? Who's charging 150? Also, don't count my coins. I don't think people, because you actually have no idea how much money I put into my business. I have 4 employees. you don't know, like, I have a developer. I actually don't code my own algorithms. I create them, but I don't know how to physically code. I pay my developer a lot of money. Like, you don't actually know. And then when you're making a good amount of money, you also have to understand that Uncle Sam wants 30 to 35%. So that's a big chunk. Hi, Foodie. How are you? As I sip my tea. But yes, I am very blessed. But the thing is, I could keep this to myself. I could 100% just keep this to myself and then have easier fills probably because I have 300 people running the same exact strategies that I'm running. So certain times I'll have a better fill. Other times other people will have better fills. And we talk about it in the group where I'm like, oh, I got in at this price. And they're like, oh, well, I got in at a much better price. So if I really didn't want to see other people succeed, I would just keep it quiet and keep it to myself because I could do that. Good. Just made $3,500 for the day. Awesome. Taxation is theft. It is kind of crazy, isn't it? Because when you think about it, I'm paying taxes on the work that I did. I'm going to put my stand-up desk up, so just bear with me with the noise. I'm paying taxes on all of the work that I did. So I created the algos. I did the marketing. I've been updating things all along. Like, the IRS has absolutely no, play in my business. Like, they're not promoting it. They're not helping it. They're not, you know what I'm saying? But then I have to pay them 30 to 35% every quarter. Like, it's insane. Like, you should see I have a separate account for tax money. That money, it's so much money. And I'm like, oh my gosh, why do I have to give you so much? Thank you for sharing and not keeping it to yourself. You're welcome, Greg. And that's the thing, if you're a douchebag in the group, I'll probably be like, you know what, I don't actually need your business, because that's the thing, I don't need people's business, but I want people to succeed. I want to see them doing well. I want to see them being able to bring in an extra $1,000, $2,000, $6,000 a month for their family. But, that can't be done if I don't put it out there. And I like being, pushed, knowing people are depending on these setups to make sure they're the best that they can. Go to chat, click on replies. That's all you need to do. That's all, Van. Click on chat and go to replies. Oh, we got more people posting in results. So this was Jamie. We already looked at Jamie. The first one to us, the other account made up for it. Bloop, RTY. RTY was a win-win. Well, he still made $100 on most of his accounts. Some just 30, whatever, those offset. Down Bad Trader, premium algos are wild. Look at Down Bad. It is 10:18 a.m. and he's already made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, $22,000 on the day. $22,000 running premium algorithms. $22,000 in one day. Do you imagine that? Is that crazy? It's crazy. He's done it every day this week. Every day this week when I've shown you, and you can go back and watch the YouTube live streams, when I show you Down Bad Trader, he's making at least $2,000 every single day on each one of his accounts. And that's why my price is what it is, because it's very affordable if you're actually paying attention and running what you should be running. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that too. Again, we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to show you this breakdown really quickly before I wrap it up, that one of my members did for me, because he has a special program. I can't actually do this myself. So these are the standard algorithms on the entire year. These are just standard. There's no premium in this breakdown. $45,000. This includes fees and commissions. Fees and commissions here are $3,500 on the year. You can see 1/1/2023 to 8/29/2023. It's 92% on the year. 92%. The drawdown is $2,400. This includes NQ night, which had a loss last night. That's okay. NQ night, ES night, NQ early, NQ later, and ES later. That's it. 5 setups all on the standard algorithm on one mini each, $45,000 on the year, which equates to, at the bottom here, it tells you profit per month, $5,800 per month. Right down here, $5,800 per month. You see that? That's just running the standard setups. And I told him he needs to add ES early in this equation, because ES early is an easy another $1,000 per month. It's like $950 per month. So you add that to this, then you have whatever, 6,800 per month. Insane. With a two, and maybe the drawdown might go up a little with the ES early, but maybe like a $3,000 drawdown on the entire year. That's the biggest drawdown. Let me show you the equity curve. The equity curve is freaking insane. This is insane. This is a hedge fund's wet dream. And if you're not in the group, like, what are you even doing? What's even happening here? Do you see this? This is the most ideal equity curve you could get. It's smooth. It's slowly moving up. There's no big, ridiculous drops. Yeah, and user, that's fine. So there will be people like you that think that what I'm showing and what I'm doing is too good to be true. And I understand that. So you're just going to either have to join my live streams for 6 months and miss out on quarter 3 and quarter 4, which are always the best performing quarters. Or you could take a leap of faith, pay $500 for a 21-day trial, and see that this is actually all real and legit. And I have 285 members that are cashing in on all of this. But I get it. There are a lot of people that are skeptical because you've been burned before. There's a whole bunch of fucking twin fit traders, whatever, that are 22 years old that just sell you a bunch of crap. I'm not 22 years old. I am a grown adult, and I actually care more about my business than I do about my actual gains each day. But lately I've just been like, I need to put more pressure on the algos, and I have been. But other times I just feel like sometimes I'm too busy, whatever. I've been trading for 20 years. Yes, I started with options and common shares of stocks. I still like trading common shares, but futures is the best thing. Futures is the best. I know what I'm talking about. I have 150 current students that join my live call every morning that are cashing in like crazy because I know what I'm talking about. If I know what I'm seeing, if I can manually trade and I know what I'm talking about, then you can for sure bet your ass I know how to make an algorithm. Like, it's as easy as that. I'm literally making algorithms based off of how I manually trade. And that's all it is. Like, that's as simple as it is. I didn't even know algorithms were a thing until 2020, at the end of 2020, when one of my members said, Lauren, you should automate this. And I was like, what? What does that even mean? And he was like, because I have to go back to the office and I can't manually trade anymore. You should look to automate this. And I said, okay. So I started researching, and I actually had a guy in the group who has a really good friend who is a developer in NinjaTrader. And so him and I became buddies. And that's how all of this started. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even have algorithms, and I didn't even know that they existed. But they do exist, and I put a lot of time and effort and hard work into what I'm showing you. And that's why we go live every day. We don't have anything to hide. We had a loss last night with NQ Night. I have made up the entire loss except for $100. And again, I take bigger sizing than most people, so they probably already made it up. How does it work with Apex? That's a good question. So you go to apextraderfunding.com, you sign up for an account, apextraderfunding.com. You sign up for an account, you click on sign up, it takes you to the bottom. You want this NinjaTrader rhythmic option. Most people in my group say the 50K is the best one. Some people are doing the 150K, but I don't think you need all that. So 50K, you only have to profit 3,000 before you have a funded account, and you can't lose 2,500 as the trailing drawdown. They pay for your data, they pay for your NinjaTrader license. It says 167 here, but they're doing a 50% off sale right now. So if you click on start now, you put in the coupon code SAVE50, 23K. You mean 25K will get you funded quicker. Yeah, but it's a lot harder to not hit a $1,500 drawdown. $1,500 is not that much. So I don't know. I still like the 50K. I find that you can easily make $3,000 in 7 days, because you have to trade at least 7 days. Again, you don't have to pass within 7 days. A lot of people start to get this confused. You simply have to trade at least 7 days before you can become funded. So making $3,000 in 7 trading days is not that hard with the algorithm. Oh, you use the 25K, but then you trade micros, Big Bossa? Well, that makes sense. Okay, well, yeah. And make sure you mention that to people in the group, too, because I know they like that helpful information. Anyway, you'd put the coupon code SAVE50 this weekend. If you hold off, I'm pretty sure their sale ends on Thursday. Then I'm pretty sure they're going to do an 80% or 90% sale starting on Friday. Friday, September 1st. It's a Labor Day weekend. They love to do sales around a holiday. I used to be a member. System glitch caused me the best. I am now currently funding manually. I can tell you the algos do work, and I hope to return in the near future. Zippa sounds good. Also, it could also be the copier. Folks seem to have issues with that, or overnight trades. Not sure why, but it seems to be more of the issues we notice. Can you share that in Slack? Yeah, Lamb, I already did in announcements for, it's the standard and the premium, but I will also share just the regular standard one for sure. Waiting to get more, save 80, save 90, exactly. Always just put in save 90 when you go to Apex and you put in the coupon code, and then they'll give you whatever the current discount is. So if it's 50, then they'll give you 50% off, and you can decide if you want to use it or not. But this weekend, they should definitely be rolling out save 90 or say, 80% or 90%. Just put in save 90 and see what happens. Because it's Labor Day and we haven't had a save 90 in about like a month. So we need that in our lives. So then you would sign up for the Apex account. You would email me, get the link to my, let me just close this out. Get the link to my discounted trial. Ooh, look at how it hit that tick and it went right back down. So you get the discount in the email. You have to email me to get the $500 discount. Email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And then from there, you'll get all the information you need to get started. Once you sign up, then you're in the group. We add you to Slack. We add you to all of, obviously, the access in the settings spreadsheet, the algorithms. We send you the zip files. You upload them to your NinjaTrader, and then you turn the algos on. And then every night after that, so like when you first sign up, your commitment is probably like 30 to 60 minutes max. Especially if you're computer savvy, you can be set up within 15 minutes. If you're not computer savvy, it's probably going to be more like an hour. And then every night thereafter, you simply just push a box and turn it on. So let me pull this over here. You click enable, 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 and you wouldn't have as many setups as I do. You would probably have like 2 or 3, and you just push enable, and then it trades for you the next 23 hours, and it turns itself off, and then you turn it on again the next night, and that's it. All right, it's 10:28. We'll be live again at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great Wednesday. Wish I knew that Friday was 9 come and just open 9 more in the last hour. Oh, Leslie, no. Well, I don't know for sure it's coming, but we can pretty much tell that they like to give holiday specials. So again, user, you asked about Apex. If you're doing Apex, you don't need any cash because you're using Apex. That's the whole point of Apex. Look at this level it bounced off of here on NQ. 380. Yes, yes, yes. But if you're doing a cash account, okay, so if you're doing a cash, and this is all in the informational email user, so if you just email me, you would get this information. Minimum is 2 to 3K, and then you would have to trade micros. If you want to trade minis, which is what I'm trading here, making roughly 1,000 to 1,500 per day, then it would be 7 to 10K in your account. But if you want to start with micros, then the minimum is 2 to 3K. Okay? All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Again, just email me. I respond immediately. You get all the information you need, and you get the the paid trial link. So you have to email me anyway to get that. Have a great day. We'll be back at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set your alarm. I didn't use the cover. Some of them in Ninja pictures. But a couple of, very rare. Very rare.
Order
All right,
submitted.
have a good day. I'm getting off of here.
Target
Bye.
filled.
Oh, target filled on something. What just hit? NQ early's in another trade short. ES is in a trade short. Are we gonna get this? Who hit target though? Something just hit target. Shit. All right, I'm gonna watch this, and we'll be back at 2 p.m. Bye.